So dance like fish.
Hey, it's Cheetos and
Squashie.
here.
Me.
And today we will be doing, I have no idea what. We'll be going to the bounce house party.
Juicy wiggle.
Now we're going to be doing the juicy wiggle. Juicy wiggle. Bounce.
Now move your hips and dance like fish.
Bump, 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 bump.
I broke my tooth.
You broke your tooth?
Yeah.
I gotta pause the video, guys. Sorry. Charlie.
Are you okay?
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Is it all cracked?
Yeah.
Are you bleeding? Let's get you to the doctor. Sorry, guys. We're all good. She just had a cracked tooth. It's all good. She's eating candy again. Like the doctor told her not to.
I actually chipped my teeth though. Look at.
Yeah. Anyway, so we are going to be working on whatever. Squashie is fine. Bleeding has stopped and we got her to the doctor, so we're really sorry about the inconvenience, but she's alright. So yeah, let's go investigate some animals. Let's go, yeah. Whatever. Let's go to the shop. So, you know all the egg craze and stuff? You just buy an egg. You don't have, I don't have enough money, but anyway. So, you buy an egg and you kind of just make it your own, just everything you want. And that's about it. Kind of, yeah. Oh, what's like that? Ta-da. Anyway, so, you do that. Oh, and this person is, yeah. So, Squashie, got any ideas?
Nope.
Okay. How could you mean, who even cares? I think Squashie is, having a little bit of troubles right now. And we should probably get going. See you guys at 12, and we're really sorry for the short last-minute video, ending, but this is Cheetos and Squashie signing off.
Bye bye.